Hi, welcome to Make It Monday. Today we are combining two of my favorite things, mindfulness and making crafts, into one craft to make a calm down jar. Now in your mindful minute videos, you'll find how to use this calm down jar. But right now, this is just how to do it. So let's get started. With materials, you will need a jar that seals tightly. So I'm using a, here I used a water bottle jar. So this is specifically made for holding liquids where they will not spill. And this is a similar thing. This is a mason jar, and it has even like a little sticky surface right there that will make a tight seal on this jar so it won't spill, which is important because of the other materials that you use. You use warm water and glue. It can be glitter glue or clear glue. That's totally your choice. Okay, let's get started. Unscrew the lid from your jar, or take the lid off of whatever jar you're using. And you're going to want to fill your jar about 2/3 of the way full. So if you think of this as a whole, you kind of divide it into thirds this way. So we're gonna fill the jar to about here with warm water. You may use your funnel if you'd like to. This jar is actually easy to pour liquid into, so I don't need the funnel. Okay. So that's about 2/3 of the way full. Now we need to add our glue. First, I'm going to start with glitter glue. And if you have a bottle of glue with a top that's working, this is a really easy solution. You just squeeze the glue into the container and then close the top. If your jar is not working like mine is now, you can simply take the top off and pour it straight in. You can see why now we're using warm water. It helps the glue combine more easily when you shake the jar. Okay, so now I have some glitter glue, and this is really fine glitter. It's very small. Now I'm going to add some glitter that's a little bit larger just to make it even more interesting in the jar. Whoops. So I'm going to take the top off of this larger glitter, if I can, and pour that just right on top. I'm using these really calming colors that sort of remind me of the ocean. That helps me, but you can use any color that you like best. Okay, final thing to add. Now I'm going to put in something that's even a bigger size. These are little beads. They're little iridescent beads. These actually came off of an old Mardi Gras necklace. I just cut some of the beads off of the necklace to add to the jar. Okay, I can see that the jar is not quite full, so I'm going to add just a little bit more glue, and you can see the clear glue here. Now, carefully and securely tighten the lid as hard as you can. Okay, now for the magic. Shake it up. This is definitely a Make It Monday that I recommend you do outside. The reason I'm doing it inside is to make a video that you can hear where there's not a lot of background noise, but it's a beautiful day if you're watching this on April 20th. It's gorgeous outside. Take all of your materials and take it outside just in case you have a spill. Okay, once you shake it up, you can see that you have this gorgeous jar of glitter. And as it starts to settle, you'll notice that the different sizes of glitter fall at different rates. It's really fascinating to watch. Okay, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Enjoy!